AIDEA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths, crafted from 87% polyester and 13% polyamide. Effortlessly handling spills and moisture, these cloths ensure rapid absorption, leaving surfaces dry and pristine with ease. Ideal for the quick and safe removal of dirt, grime, and liquid. AIDEA Microfiber cloths are specially designed for surfaces, paint, glass, and coatings. Whether cleaning your kitchen or car, these powerful towels effortlessly combat the toughest grease, grime, and dirt, leaving your home or car shiny and pristine. The soft, fine fibers of microfiber ensure a non-abrasive touch, guaranteeing delicate surfaces remain free from scratches or damage. AIDEA Microfiber Cleaning Cloths boast an impressive lifespan, standing up to repeated washing and reuse without any concerns of shrinking, falling apart, or diminishing cleaning power. This exceptional durability not only saves you valuable time, but also translates to significant long-term cost savings, making them a sustainable and economic choice for your cleaning needs. AIDEA Microfiber towels come in 5 different colors, allowing you to designate specific colors for different cleaning tasks to avoid cross-contamination. They can be used on a wide range of surfaces, including glass, mirrors, countertops, stainless steel, electronics, and more. Choose AIDEA Microfiber towels. We prioritize making your experience worry-free and enjoyable. Your satisfaction's not just a goal, it's our commitment.